Hey there, drone fans. Rick here again from Drone Valley. It's day 4 in our 12 Days of Drone Valley Christmas giveaways, and we've got another great prize for you today. Wait a minute, there's 2 of them. It must be a doubler. That's right, we're giving 2 of these away to 2 lucky winners in today's contest. Now, before I get to this, what are the very best Christmas sweaters made from? Fleece Navidad. On the 4th day of Christmas, Drone Valley gave to me 2 95-watt car charging kits. That's right, these are Drone Valley products. You can use these to charge your drones, your action cameras, anything that you can charge from a USB cable, you can charge with these in your car. Now let's see what's inside the kit. For starters, it's a really nice felt bag, so it keeps everything nice and organized. It's got a beautiful Drone Valley logo right there. And what's inside? I don't know. Let's take a look. Well, there's a whole lot of stuff in there. There's a 95-watt charger. And what this means is you plug this into your outlet in the car, and you've got 3 ports on the end. There are 2 USB-C ports and a USB-A port. You can put 65 watts of power from this into a drone battery and quickly charge that drone up, or really anything that you can charge off of a USB-C cable. You've also got a USB-A port on there as well, so if you've got older cables, you can plug it in there. This is designed by the team here at Drone Valley, and we're incredibly proud about it. Now, there's other stuff in there. What's this? A heavy-duty USB-C to USB-C cable with a cloth exterior. It's really heavy duty. This will carry 65 watts of power from that to your charging device. Also, there's a bunch of adapters in here. So you've got a USB-C to Apple, a USB-C to Micro. You've got a USB-A to USB-C. So if you've got an older cable, you can turn it into a USB-C. And you've got a USB-C to USB-A, which means the newer cables turn into a USB-A connection. So you've got everything you need plumbing-wise to use this with virtually anything you charge from a USB charger. And we're giving 2 of them away. Now, the contest could not be simpler. Basically, if you look below in the description, you'll see a link. Hit that link. It'll ask for your email address and your YouTube name, and we only need those so we can get a hold of you. We're not going to keep them. We get rid of all of them at the end of the contest. But after 7 days, we're going to close our eyes and pick a random winner, actually 2 random winners, out, and we're going to send you an email. So make sure you look for those emails in your spam folder, but it's going to say, good news, you won the brand new Drone Valley 95-watt car charger kit. Please send us your address. We then put this in a box, we ship it to you, and again, we don't need anything from you other than the fact that you're enjoying the product. That's all we really want, is to know somebody out there is using one of our Drone Valley 95-watt car chargers to charge something electronic. That's just a great thing. Because it's Christmas, we're giving all these prizes away. And again, I couldn't be happier to do this because this is my favorite time of year. I say it every time we do this giveaway. It just brings so much joy to my life to know that we're giving away products that we're lucky enough to get from a lot of manufacturers, and it makes somebody else's day a little bit better. And that's really, to me, the bottom line of why we do this every year. So please take advantage of this. So enter the contest below. And by the way, if you've missed day 1, 2, and 3, go back and enter those contests as well, because each day the entries are just for that day. So you want to go back and enter those. And here's the thing. I have 8 more of these coming up, so, and the prizes are getting better every day, so make sure you stay tuned to the channel. Matter of fact, it might be easier if you just subscribe to the channel. You can unsubscribe later on if you don't like the stuff, but subscribe, turn on the bell, and that way when we post a new clip like this one, you'll get a little ding on your phone and you'll know, hey, there's another contest over there at Drone Valley. I better go over there and enter. So that'll just make it easier for you. And that's all I really had for today. So thank you so much for watching. And again, until next time, happy flying.